first thing that you must do is visit google.com. I bet everyone knows how to use this web browser as it mostly has all the answers to our questions. Well, going back, I want you to type in the keyword MindSumo in the search bar. The top result in your searches will show you MindSumo's website, and I want you to visit that website. This is where we could possibly earn as much as $100 per hour or more. The homepage of this website will show you the real-time earnings of the people that are using it. If you scroll through the page more, you'll see tons of opportunities that you can maximize to earn as much as you can using this tool. You'll also see that this website is legit and even partnered with a lot of popular companies such as American Express, Dell, Shell, Crocs, Microsoft, Pearson, Amazon, Unilever, Mercedes-Benz, and a lot more. These brands are customers of MindSumo, so you can definitely trust this website if they have big users like these companies. Of course, you need to sign up for a free account, and I'll help you with that. You'll see a button on the homepage that says, "I'm a problem solver." I want you to click on that button. Clicking on it will redirect you to another page that has some information about MindSumo. The next thing that you should do is click on the Sign Up button that you'll see in the upper right corner of your screen. There will be a pop-up page that'll ask you to provide basic information about yourself. Since you're about to create your own account, you should click on the hyphenated words that say, "Don't have an account yet." If you click on that link, you'll be taken to the Solver registration page. Now, this is where you'll be filling out a form. You just need to type in your first and last name, location, email address, birthday, gender, and create a password. There will also be a section on this page that will require you to rate your skills in the following skill areas: creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. I suggest that you choose an above-average proficiency because it'll most likely give you a better chance of getting paid a higher amount. After answering everything in the form, you can now click on the Sign Up button and now you have your own account. You should log in right away so you can already start earning. Once you're logged in, you'll see numerous projects that you can join and do in order to earn extra money. There's a section on the left side of your screen and you'll see there that you can filter the challenges by skill. For now, we'll focus on the new category, which is computer science. This is just to demonstrate some examples for you, but you can definitely click on anything that suits you next time once you grasp everything that I'll teach you. Once you click on that option, all the results that you'll see are projects and challenges that are related to the computer science category. This is actually the category that can pay you the most among all other options that you have. You can choose any challenge that you'll see on your screen, but let us use this one as an example. How can AI technology help us write right? The next thing that I want you to look up on your Google browser is Google Docs. You can write a document using this Google tool. Now you can create your article using this tool and submit it to the project that you clicked on in MindSumo. Just by answering the questions on MindSumo, you can earn as much money as you can since every challenge has a different amount of payment. To make everything easier, I'll show you some techniques. You can simply highlight the question that you clicked in MindSumo. Once you've highlighted the question, you'll simply copy and paste it to the Google search bar. You'll see lots of results that'll answer the question that you copied from MindSumo. You can choose any article that you think is best for the question and simply copy-paste it onto your Google Docs. You can combine different answers and copy-paste them into your document in Google Docs. You can use all the possible answers that you'll see and put them in your document until you're satisfied with your answer. I also want to remind you that you should change the title of your document. Just use a title that's appropriate and submit it. You can use the keyword MindSumo in the title as well, so it'll be easy to recognize when you already upload it on MindSumo. You can even use the question for MindSumo as the title of your document to avoid any confusion. Just edit the file and use the same font size and font style for everything. I suggest that you also make the font size of the title larger than the rest of the document and put it in the center. You can also edit a few more things in your document to make it more presentable and organized. As I've told you, there are lots of ways to make money online, and I'm also here to help you find easier methods. Once you're done, and once you think the document is ready for submission, you just have to click on the button that says File. You'll see this in the upper part of your Google Docs. Click on that and choose the option that says PDF document. After that, just click on download and now it's on your computer. Anyway, this can also be done on your mobile phone, but of course, it's much more convenient if you have a computer or laptop. Well, if you're really determined to earn, then I think your device doesn't really matter as long as you have time to do this. Everything that I've mentioned is absolutely free. You don't have to pay for a website here. You're the one that'll get paid by answering the questions and creating articles for those questions on MindSumo. You can repeat this method of creating the document for another question. You can create as many articles as you like, especially if you have free time. Spend your time wisely. You can also do this anywhere you are. There are even challenges on MindSumo's website that offer to pay up to $20,000. Imagine all the things that you can do with that money. You can definitely earn that in a single day. I have a bonus tip for you. This is another way to maximize the use of the internet to help you earn more money. You can visit Browse and Bank's website in order to learn more. This website will pay you every time you use the internet. This technique is probably easier than the first one, so you should definitely give it a try. You can use both these websites anyway to double your earning potential. The more you're willing to try out new things, the more you'll learn and the more you'll earn. I hope you learned something from this video.